In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Windows 11 lagging and slow problem. And when your internet speed drops on Windows 11, the issue is usually caused by the congested DNS cache, background update hogs, or outdated network card configurations. So what you want to do is flush the DNS cache and reset the network stack, because over time, your computer's local domain directory cache can become corrupted, leading to a severe page loading delays and packet drops. So you can force the entire network stack to clean itself using a quick command terminal script. So all you want to do is press the Windows key and then type in CMD, but then you want to run it as administrator. Then go ahead and copy these following commands and then press enter after each line. So after this, go ahead and press enter, then go over and type in this one that I'm going to put in right now. Press enter, it's going to show everything. And then all you want to do is do the final one, press enter on this, and it says you must restart your PC, which completely flushes your old connection paths, forces a clean handshake with your router, and rebuilds your network interface rules. And what you can also do is disable Windows Update Delivery Optimization. So all I want to do is I want to go over to my settings area, and then go ahead and click on Windows Update. Then you're going to see a lot of things, but go over to advanced options, and then you're going to see delivery optimization. All you want to do is switch it completely off, and then that will improve things as well.